In this Spyder System review, I'm going to be showing you a cloud-based software that's going to drive viral traffic to a monetized page and have people send you 100% free traffic. And make sure you stay until the end of this review, as I'm also going to be showing you all the different OTOs and upgrades so you'll know exactly what you're getting into if you decide to purchase. If you're new to my channel, my name is Mike Thomas. I'm a seven-figure affiliate marketer. I do these reviews every single day so that you can get the best deals on upcoming software and courses. If at any point during this review you want to check out Spyder System, just go ahead and click the link below. Also, please like this video as it really helps out with my YouTube channel and I really appreciate it. Last thing before we jump in here, so I want to show you my bonus page. I've got a ton of special bonuses for you that you're going to be getting if you pick this up through my link. All these bonuses will be waiting for you inside of Warrior Plus after you purchase through my link. Let's take a look at the sales page here together. It says Smart Spyder System spreads sticky webs of traffic 24/7, 365 and makes us $1,000 a pop over and over and over again. No website, no list, no experience, no problem. So essentially what this is, it's a software that creates viral monetized pages. They say that it makes them $1,000 over and over again. I can't confirm that, but I can show you exactly what the software is. As I always tell you guys, don't purchase these things based upon these crazy income claims. Purchase them based upon what they actually do, not on the claims, please. It's a system that is going to be very, very inexpensive for you. You just activate it, you set it up real quickly. I'm going to show you a demo of how all that works. And then you have other people actually send you traffic to it. It's a viral traffic software. We look at all this stuff on the sales page here. I mean, it's blah, 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 blah. The sales page is typical to normal sales pages that we see here. But essentially you're going to get, if you purchase, you get the software. And then there are some upgrades that they're going to offer you as well. As always, aren't we used to that by now? I'm going to show you those also. So let's jump over. I'm going to show you a quick little demo video, and then I'll be back to show you the OTOs.
Hello guys and welcome to the Spyder System. In this video we're going to review how you can create your first campaign and how the system works. So let's start with adding a new web. So our concept is that you need to start publishing as many webs as you can. I hope you get the pro version that allows you to create multiple webs. But let's start with one. So let's go here and start a new web. I'm going to enter a campaign name, my first web, and this is something really important, your affiliate URL. As you can see, you have a link here to grab your link. So you're going to go here, and this is going to open Warrior Plus, the Warrior Plus platform. Now, the product name is Project Profit Academy. This is a high-ticket product that Brenda sells, and you can make on each sale more than $1,000. So you want to request your access. In my case, I already have my link here, but you will see normally here a button say request access. So all you have to do is request your affiliate link, send us a message saying that you are part of the Spyder System, and once you get your affiliate link, you just copy and paste that into the tool right here. Okay. Now, how many subscribers for a referral can change their affiliate link? This is really important. Let me show you with an example better. So I'm going to put 5. Okay. I'm just going to fill here my name. I'm sorry. I'm going to choose picture, or you can choose your own photo URL. And of course, you can connect to any of the most common autoresponders. But here's the interesting part of this product. here's the concept of the spider web. So I'm going to save this, and as you can see now, I have here my first web where I can see my landing page and my thank you page. So I'm going to copy this URL for the landing page because this is the one that you want to start spreading, and you will see an easy to do option here to start sharing your link around all the social media accounts. So let's go, and I'm going to open Safari right now, and I'm going to paste my first web so you can see how it looks like. All right, so as you can see, it's very simple. It's super optimized to make the user enter their email address. So I'm going to enter anything here. And once I click here, I'm going to be redirected to the high ticket product. Now, this is a full webinar. I think, oh yeah, this is like 2 hours long, where Brendan is showing all the features of Project Profit Academy. So you already have the link for this, right? And you already pasted here. Let me edit it so you can see. You can paste it already here. So now, when somebody clicks here, it's going to use your affiliate link to Warrior Plus and redirect to the Project Profit Academy sign up page. So let me go back. And here's how the multiplier effect work of these sticky webs. So as you can see here below, it says congratulations, you have won a new website that is ready for you. So that means that every visitor is going to receive this same page. So automatically the system is already created an account for them. So all they need to do is log in. Here I'm going to copy and paste this. I'm going to click here. And I already forgot the account, so let me copy and paste this. All right. So now this is a referral account because your visitor already won the access to have his own website. Now, what's his how his website looks like? Let me copy this, and I'm going to open another session here. All right. So if you can see, it's the same, but here's the thing. Now that he's the owner of this page, and he's going to start spreading this website on his accounts, on his social accounts, to start bringing traffic. So anything that he can get, any visitors that he can get, this email address is going to go to your account also. So you are going to start building the emails that he can bring. He's going to save in his account and in your account. And also, when the new user click here, that new user is going to get also a free account. So he can do the same and start multiplying the visitors, multiply the options. Plus, this button is still using your affiliate link. That means that if your visitor use this website and start sending traffic to his own website, you are still going to make money and high ticket commissions from their work. So This is really the key of the sticky system. It's how you can multiply your traffic by leverage using other people's traffic and visitors. So again, this is a new account. This person can log in and start using his website, and that's going to start bringing more emails. And so, the snowball is going to start growing and growing and growing. Now, I told you to remember this part of how many subscribers before a referral can change their affiliate link. So you can set any number here, but what this means is that the user who um, won the website, this person here, needs to share his page, needs to have at least 5 signups. That means 5 emails for you before he can put his own affiliate link into this button. So you can put at 100 if you want. That will be his job to put more effort, bring more leads in order so he can start making the 1,000 baht commission too. Otherwise, all his work is going to be with your affiliate link. Okay, so let's go back to the tool. I'm going to just save this. From here, you can see also the thank you page. Let's go back, and I really hope you can get some of the upgrades. I highly recommend the Done For You and the Pro version, because with the Pro version you can create multiple webs. That helps you a lot to increase your spreading and conversion. So this is basically how it works, how the system works. I hope you like it, and if you need any question, please just click here on the support chat and send us an email. Thank you very much.
Okay, so just like you just saw here, here's the backend area that you're going to have access here. They've got tutorials. They've got different ways to access the different upgrades here. The system, you can manage your little your pages here. You can actually manage the leads that come into the system as well. So you can see all the different emails that you get, and you're going to be able to go and actually download those emails. So if you don't have an autoresponder, you can download those as well and use them for your own business. Now, the OTOs. I don't have access to the pages right now as of recording this. They're not done, but I can show you here that the first one is going to be the unlimited edition, so it's going to take off any limitations. There's a done for you version, a done for you leads and swipe file edition, limitless traffic. I believe that's usually they allow you to put a retargeting pixel on their sales page so you can get cheap traffic. And then they give you, there's OTO 5 is the license rights, so you can actually get license rights to everything. When you go through the sales funnel, if you decide to purchase this, make sure you move your mouse away or click that no thanks button, because a lot of times you can get a discount on these. There's going to be what is called a downsell, and you can get a discount on these different software. So just like kind of move your mouse away, click that no thanks button, see what it offers you there. I don't have access to the pages yet as I'm recording this early, but I want you to make sure that you get the lowest price on this if you decide to purchase. Please give me a like if you like the fact that I try to get you guys the lowest prices on these. So all the different OTOs, it's not a crazy sales funnel. The upgrades are optional. Pick and choose which ones you want and which ones you don't. So what do I think about Spyder System? What do I like about it? What don't I like about it? If I had to say something that I don't like about it, the marketing's a bit hypey there, saying that they make like $1,000 a pop on this. Again, I'm not able to verify that. There's no like proof backing that up there. So just make sure that if you do purchase this, like I said before, purchase it based upon what it does and not on the income claims. What do I like about this? This viral marketing tactic is very interesting tactic. If you're able to get people into this and drive traffic and get people to sign up for this, and actually they'll be building their own pages, sending their own traffic to it. You'll be getting email lists as well. They have an incentive in order to do that, because if they send so many people, they can unlock the software for themselves. Essentially, you're giving away the software as kind of a bribe and getting them to actually send you leads in order so that they can get the software as well. So there's an incentive for them to share it. and that makes it so it's a win-win situation. Thank you so much for checking out my review today. If you want to take a look at Spyder System, go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really does help out with my YouTube channel, and I appreciate it. And make sure that you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again in my next review video. Thanks.